Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I am sharing my experience, the trip which I started from Anantnag
Train to start my
to
journey.
Delhi, Ajmer and Rajasthan. Enjoy these videos now.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I had came to Red Fort of Delhi. I had many times visited here, but I never made a video here. So today I decided to make a video here because I had to because I had to spend a month here. Which I get bored in my room, so I came out and take a video for you. See how crowded is this place at this time. Here am I. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu to all of my viewers. Today I had visited the Red Fort of Delhi where I had came many times. But it is for the first time I had made a video here for you guys so that you can also see this. I was a little boy when I had came here with my father and brother. I was reading in class fourth at that time. I had many times visited here, but due to some reasons, I did not take any video here. Even in during those times, I do not have a mobile phone because I was a kid. These were the cannons used by the Mughals to destroy their enemies. All in close photo, huh? Yet bazar yem par. Ah, like we should chatta chowk wananta. Yes, wana lahori diya. Ah, see, this is the main gate of this fort. Wow. This part neri ne cha kihin agar se human jayan gasha. Us part yak se tang ek si jai bihi bihi. This is the main market of Red Fort. The name of this fort is Chatta Chowk. This is the stone which is being carved here to tell about the history of this fort. Here you can see the market where different goods are being sold. But it has lost its charm because in my childhood I had seen here were shops from different states of India. Even the Kashmiri shop was here. I couldn't find such things here today. This is the very market here. This is the very place where the Mughal ruler was giving was running the administration. He was giving his orders from that very place. The pantry was. Okay. When got what's it? And in front of me, you could see the Diwani arm via the emperor Shahi Jahan and many other his who after him captured the throne had seated on. The most prominent one was Aurangzeb. Hmm. Oh. Chunai saaf hai wo. That is the very spot where the emperor was giving his sermon to the people and orders them. He was running his administration from that very point. This is the very अगर बुझे गाइड बन हाँ नहीं वो न नस नस पैटी हो तो this is the very fine spot. All praise to Allah. How much Allah had given them the efficiency to construct those marvelous buildings. They have closed the main way from here. When I had came here earlier, here there was never, not any barricade which was stopping to enter anywhere. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Here is the main view of the Red Fort of Delhi, in which there are different types of what we call mahal are being constructed. There are different names given to these. One is called Rang Mahal, and the very spot which I showed you first was Diwani Aam. And that is the very masjid which was constructed by Aurangzeb, the first Muslim ruler, according to me. Because he having a good control over his what desires. He was keeping Islam first and the other things after that. Assalamu alaikum. This is the most favorite place in the Red Fort of Delhi, the Moti Masjid, which is being constructed by Aurangzeb. He spent most of his time here praying to Almighty Allah and asking refuge from his sins. This is the very stone which gives information about this masjid. This is the another what we call a palace. The name of this palace is Khas Mahal. See how it is being constructed. This is called as Diwani Khas, and here is the stone which gives information about this. The place from where the water canal was flowing, and this is called as Shahi Burj. District Supa. This was as the swimming pool of that time, but you could not see water here, as the Indian government is not giving much attention to the places which were constructed by Muslims having a Muslim origin. Buildings constructed by Britishers in the Red Fort. These are the new buildings. Second entrance of Red Fort, Delhi. Peki bay ne maçı soğursaydı koy ne? African elephant. This is the very African elephant. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I had came to the National Zoological Park of India, where I am showing you the lion, which is on that very side. He had lost his strength. He is in his old age, near to death. Here am I, who is taking this. Here I go. सुपिल के फोटो है ना? बयान की फोटो ऊपर आज
ये कम लगता है पानी में ना।
I at Purana Killa Lake. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I had came to the Purana Killa. I had many times visited here but never made a video here because I was not that much thinking about and this is the very Purana Killa. This is this is the masjid in the Purana Killa.
लेकर के जाइए, आ जाइए और इस पास मत आ जाए, अपने लिए भी अपने घर वालों के लिए भी।
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today it is for the first time that I had visited Ajmer Sharif, which is famous all over the world, mostly in Kashmir. The people of Kashmir are coming here.
Hadi yatacak nasıl trabana? Bana rahatsız. Aşkı şartı bu. Hadi lan. Diğer bakın sana. Lagay diyago. Uska var bu çok diyago.
Was war mein One? Batul hoye de. Hala şu.
Ora. Kaçı vazul kırıyorsun? Ne hotu karnı? Abi aşkara iki. İki yeter biliyorsun. Özdemez dinlemek vazul karnı. Bu खाड़ी हो पत्थर रोज तो ये था
सब टॉपिक खरीदे हैं ये
This is the main spot where Khaja Mahinuddin Chasti is being buried. He is famous all over the world for his good deeds. There are many things which are famous for him. He is being given the title of Garib Nawaz because he was helping every poor. Papu ko.
नमाज पढ़वाने की जरूरत है ना फिर
फूल वगैरह बोला
Wow.
दूसरी की शादी हमारे आती
हेलो
Vale? Quanto? Quanto igual? Vale, Oh, Akbar!
इधर ही तो खड़े रहेंगे तब ना आएगी इधर। हेलो क्या जाके
Finally, I reached to the destination where the companions of Khaja Garib Nawaz are buried. You have to walk a lot. Almost you have to climb a lot to reach this place.
औलाद की खुशी में कुछ नहीं सेल करनी
हमारे जब आहार मन्नत पूरी कर देंगे ये गरीब के वास्ते बांटने के
वापस आने का रास्ता दूसरा है। मन्नत मुराद का बोला बंदा देख में डालो। पूरे अजमेर में 11वीं शरीफ की ये एक ही देश, एक के 71 मिलते हैं, ये वो दरबार है। 200 गरीब आदमी डालता है भाई। दुआएं मांग के डालो अपने लिए, अपने माँ बाप के लिए, अपने बच्चों के लिए। अपना अपना नाम बोल के डालो सरकार। इनकी बागबाड़ी आबाद रखना, इनकी परेशानियों को दूर करना सरकार। इनको हर साल हर 6 महीने हाजिरी के लिए बुलाते रहना सरकार। नसीब वाले आते हैं और नसीब वाले ही डालते हैं भाई। ये मियाँ अहमद के 100 रुपये कबूल करना सरकार। इनकी बागबाड़ी आबाद रखना, इनकी परेशानियों को दूर करना सरकार। आगे आ जाओ भाई, आगे आके देख लो। पहले भी इसकी सलाह देते हैं, देख लो, देखना भी सवाल है।
बड़ी पीर मज़ार एट अजमेर शरीफ।
मैं न्यूज़ को नहीं बोल रहा यस सर मोबाइल पे बहुत आला
फोटो मत लो ये चैनल। Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today it is for the first time that I am making a video of Qutub Minar. I had many times visited here, but I didn't made any video here yet. So at this time I decided to make a video here for my viewers. Now here is the entry gate of Qutub Minar. See, this is the very place which is being called as the Qutub Minar. These are called as Mughal gardens, as it is made by the Mughals. See, this is the masjid in the Qutub Minar yard. This is the whole history of this मीनार मैं वो वोट को तो कैसे ऐ क्या वीडियो देख में बना बाल को तो मीनार तो हो के रख सप्राड़ बावन now see this is the huge Qutub Minar where I had many times visited here. Today I had brought my mother here to show her. She has also came here but before 28 years. As Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I am here at the Qutub Minar, which was being constructed by Qutbuddin Aibak. There are many other rulers who have contributed their time and money to build this minar. This is the second most tallest minar in the world. There are many graves of many what we call rulers. This is one among them. It is being called as the grave of Iltutmish. Volleyball. I am with my mother. I had came here many times, but it is because of my mother. I had once again came here. This is about the information of this place. See, this is the very gate of Qutub Minar. Here are many structures like this, as Mughals were famous for constructing these structures. If there is anything famous in India, so these are the structures of Mughals which they have constructed from time to time. It is called as Alia Darwaza. This is the history about it. This is the main Qutub Minar. Before some years, it was being allowed to climb the Minar, but there were many suicide cases which hinders the government to allow anyone to climb there. This is the whole information about this Minar, which you can read yourself. There are many tourists who came from different areas, even from different countries to visit here.
वो है इसका 95 48 57
It is a very vast place. There are many structures and graveyards present here. Here is another minar that is being constructed here. The name of that minar is Alia Minar, but that is not being fully constructed because of many reasons. As a historical site, here are many restrictions here, as anyone can't smoke here. See, this is the very structures here. On every structure you could find that there is a name of Almighty Allah written even on the Qutub Minar. The name of Almighty Allah is written as it was being constructed by the Muslims during the region of Mughals, as they have captured the whole India. This is a monument here that is being called as Iron Mirror Pillar, and it is being said it has resemblance to the what we call Gupta Empire and has a Sanskrit quotation. My mother is laughing, seeing what his son is doing. I am making this video just to give information. See, on this very gate, there is the first kalma written on it, La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. See, here are people from many areas who had came here. See, there is another graveyard of someone. Itutmish, some Itutmish is being buried here. You can also see the parrot here. Now I am taking you towards the Alia Minar. Mostly you should have seen the videos of Qutub Minar that is here, but you should also see the video of Alia Minar, the Minar which is not being fully constructed by any ruler. I think it should have came in their minds that there should be only one Minar. And this is the very masjid here where those rulers used to pray namaz. This is the way towards the Alia Minar. As everyone should visit these places because it has a historical significance, how and it shows how Mughals have decorated India. And in India there are only these places which were being constructed by the Mughals during their times. Today everyone is coming to India to see these places. I think in world there is only one place that is Kashmir, where nothing is needed to be constructed to gather tourists. It is beautified by Almighty Allah. I am here going to end my video by taking you to the stone which gives information about this Alia Minar. This is that very stone. This is the main front of Qutub Minar. This is the masjid of that. It should video to saaf. This is the whole history of this masjid. बाकी वो व्यूअर है कहाँ फोटो ये चम साफ This is the masjid which the ruler of that time Qutbuddin Aybak used to pray.
Like here, I just captured
ये चम से साफ What a view of Qutub Minar from here. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I had came to India Gate. I had many times visited here, but this is for the first time I am making this video for you. It is nothing other than this gate. The history of this gate is that those people who were dead in the First World War from India, their names are written on that gate. On that very gate. Here is a huge rush of people here. People from different areas are coming here to see this. And this is the what we call statue of Subhash Chandra Bose. Who was one of the freedom fighters of India.
गाड़ी का पैसा गाड़ी में देना है
और कोई नहीं लगेगा अरे और कोई नहीं है
हाँ तो ऑनलाइन ना यहाँ जिस को
कोई टिकट का मिलेगा
या पर ये चाय स्टैंड पर खाना यार
तेल का सुख सुभान तेल बनाओ में या पहले उसे आता है
These are the three gates of Taj Mahal. First, second, and this is the third one. From I have to go. This is the final main gate. Main gate of Taj Mahal. या पर गेट बाप
तोल सर
Assalamu alaikum to all of my viewers. Today I had came to the Taj Mahal, which is famous all over the world. This is for the second time I had came here. This is the most beautiful place in India. Other than this, there is nothing to see. Mughals have given a great treasure to Indians in the form of those architecture. They have kept a lot for Indians. By which they are earning a lot of amount of money. So everyone should come here and see this glorified Taj Mahal, which is being built by Mughals.
बस है
This was all for this video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I had brought you to the place which is famous all over the world, known as Taj Mahal. It was being built by Shahi Jahan for his beloved Mumtaz. He has even cutted the hands of those workers who had built it. He did not want that anyone other than him should build this Taj Mahal. So this is famous all over the world. People from different countries are coming here. In India, if there is anything which should be seen is Taj Mahal. You could also see the masjid from the left side of this Taj Mahal, where even today those Namazis are praying Namaz on Friday. As all people know, on Friday Taj Mahal is being closed for the tourists, and only those people who are coming here to pray Namaz, they are allowed. So this Indians should be grateful to Mughals that they have that much treasure has been kept by Mughals for them. It is because of those treasure, it is called as a treasure, which has left by Mughals to India, which is being seen by the whole world. Even the great personalities are coming here. It has it is a huge business for the people of Indians. A lot of people are earning here. Even the government is earning from the tickets. They have put a lot of amount of tickets for the foreign tourists, and for the locals they are taking 50 rupees. So they are earning a lot from this monument, which according to me is a great treasure for India. This was my whole video about an experience for the second time to Taj Mahal. I had first time visited to Taj Mahal when I came here was in the year 2020, in the year 2021. So after 4 years I had came here. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Here I am at Taj Mahal, where I had came for the second time. Thanks to Almighty Allah, He had given me the chance to come here for the second time. In whole world, it could be called as a beautiful thing made by a human. The Taj Mahal, which was made by Shahi Jahan, the father of Aurangzeb. This is the masjid where Friday prayers are being held even during this time. On Friday, the Taj Mahal is shut for the tourists. Only the people who are praying Namaz here are allowed. See, this is the masjid where once the emperors were praying their Namaz. See, this is the masjid. I once also had visited on that member, but it is very good that the administration of Taj Mahal have now closed this because the people from different areas were coming here without knowing the importance of a masjid, how to enter there. So for that, now it has been shut for the tourists and only the prayers who are praying namaz here are allowed. See, this is the back of this Taj Mahal, where from you can see the river Yamuna flowing from here. It is also being said that Aurangzeb, that Shah Jahan also wanted to make another piece of Taj Mahal, which could have the color of black color, on that very side, on the other bank of river Yamuna. But the Aurangzeb, the son of Shahi Jahan, put Shahi Jahan under arrest, and after that Shahi Jahan died, and the dream of Shahi Jahan did not get fulfilled of that black Taj Mahal. That very Taj Mahal is famous all over the world. The people from different countries are coming here. Even the local people are coming here. The ticket for the local is 50, and for the other foreigners there is about 700 for some countries and for 2000 for some countries. People around the world are coming here from different areas, from different continents, as there are 7 continents in the world. So people from those 7 continents are coming here. They are the rooms in which Shahi Jahan and his sons were living once. His administration was also being run from here also, as it is importance is all known to all that he had constructed this for his beloved wife Mumtaz. He even cut the hands of those who have constructed this. I had many videos made earlier about this Taj Mahal, but today I again decided to make a video because I am fond of making videos. This is the very river, Taj Mahal. On the other side of this, you could see the masjid, the structure like masjid from the back side of this, but masjid could be only one. This is the only structure, but masjid could be, the namaz could be prayed only from one side, that is from this side. So this is the back side of this masjid, and in between is the what we call as a maqbara of Shahi Jahan and Mumtaz. This is very beautiful, and at this time it is the time after 4 to 5. The darkness has little much came on the Taj Mahal. See, this is the back side of that very masjid which I showed you before. Hashuk Sod. See the world famous Taj Mahal. What to je poetí, najte vai. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today it is for the second time I had came to the Taj Mahal, the seventh wonder in the world, which is famous all over the world. It was constructed by Shahi Jahan, the famous ruler, who has made this for his beloved Mumtaz. They both are buried there. Full video.
वीडियो छुक ना वन तुल वीडियोस मज तुलिया फोटो मन गन मोबाइल क्या तम दलील मोबाइल क्या तम दलील
यह वन असल पे वीडियो
कृहन बासान वन कृहन सह बासान तेल तुलो हूँ
This is for the second time I had visited the Taj Mahal, the seventh wonder in the world. This is the another way of this place. See how walls are constructed here. This is the another way by how we can explore. The main portion of the sport. I am here to leave the sport now. This is the front gate of the sport. This is the very front gate of the sport.
And what is the worst part, you know?
Across the gate, what was the plan B from I'll show you inside.
This is the very main gate of the sport, from where we entered here. Now I am leaving from here and saying goodbye to my office. I am outside the fort now. There is a huge rush here. Front view of this fort. How much people are coming.
Ladies left side, gents right side, ladies left side, gents right side.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I am here at the Purana Killa, at the Agra fort, the fort of Agra, which was once as the capital of Mughals. As the Mughals have ruled over whole India from time to time. See, it is because of Mughals that India is famous even today. They have kept their structures everywhere. In Delhi, here, everywhere. I am grateful to Allah that He had shown me these places. It is for the second time that I had visited this place. First I had came here with my father, but today this is the main area of the fort. Tehtiveri gate we entered. Yeah. See how beautiful is this.
अरे खाली हो जे आज ही तक आने जीव नहीं कि तू बैठे
बाहर बाहर कहाँ से? बाहर का रास्ता वहाँ से ही है?
नहीं शायद इधर से होगा।
इधर से तो नहीं। This place is being called as Diwani Aam. This is the very entrance of Diwani Aam, where the king was giving his orders. These are being called as Gilharis. Wait. This is the way towards Diwani Aam. This is the Diwani Aam. Here, this is the cannon. This is the history about it. Here he used to give his sermon and orders the king. borders. See, here are many stones where its name is written that this is being called as Diwani Am. Now from here we are going to see other monuments which were being constructed by the Mughals of that time in this fort. They have created it as a very luxurious place. Even today it is not possible to construct such a place. So what I do? See, this is the main place, Khas Mahal. From here we have to go to the palace which was being called as Khas Mahal. This is known as the Khas Mahal of this place, of this fort. See how beautiful is this. See how beautiful is this. I am making these videos that once I had came here, but because of low mobile battery, I was not able to make any video here. So at this time I had came here for you all guys to see this place. These are the stones which tell us about the history of these constructions that were constructed by the emperors of that time, the Mughals. Mughals have kept their well, name alive. Mughals have kept their name alive by constructing those forts and palaces like the Taj Mahal where I am going after this. I am in a hurry this time. Here, see how much beautiful is this. There are many Kashmiris who came here with us, who are also taking videos here. People from all around the world are coming here and seeing the construction of Mughals. See, those are the foreigners who had came here from some country. I think I have forgot the way where from I have to leave this hole. Yarun ka Patricia. Where I live. Today I am present here at Jame Masjid of Delhi, which was being constructed by Shahi Jahan. And it is believed that this is the place where the holy relic of our Prophet is being kept, and a stone on which his footprints are imprinted. And the Quran, which is 1400 years old. And this is the very Jame Masjid which was being constructed by Shahi Jahan during his time. He had constructed many other things like the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort of Delhi, the Agra Fort, and the famous is Taj Mahal and the Jame Masjid. It is the biggest mosque of India.
Shade over here.
Travelers from all around the world are coming here to see this marvelous masjid. It is famous among Muslims for the Friday prayers, as it is almost full. There is the Minar Tower, where from you can see most of the area of Delhi. I had many times went there also. This is about 10th time I had entered this mosque. And this month. This is the place which is used for ablution. Wuzu, Khana. And this is me who is taking this video. These are the 3 gates of this masjid. But the number 1 gate is from this side, and the second gate is from this side, and the final gate is from this side. But according to me, this should be the number 1 gate. On the other side of this mosque, there is the Red Fort of Delhi. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I am here at Jame Masjid Delhi, which was constructed by Shahi Jahan. And here is the secured place where it is believed that the holy relic of our Prophet is being kept here, and many other essentials which are used by our Prophet, and the Quran, which is of 1400 years old, and which is written on this camel sikkim. And there are many other things which they show after every Asr. There are many people who are seeing car effect.
Aksiyadun?
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I had came to the Fatehpuri Masjid where I usually visit every day whenever I came to Delhi. I had many times visited this place but never made a video. So at this time I am making this video because this masjid is not that much popular around the world. It was constructed by the wife of Shahi Jahan, one of the wife of Shahi Jahan. Her name was Fatima Begum, Fateh Begum. So for that reason, the name of this masjid is Fatehpuri Masjid. This is the very gate which ends at the exit point of Chandni Chowk, and on the other side of this Chandni Chowk, everyone is knowing there is Red Fort on this other side. It also have a great historical significance, as you could yourself see the history of this masjid by this board which has been installed here. And here am I. You could see on the front of me there is Chandni Chowk with a huge rush of people.